English class, and today I'm going to teach you a lesson in English prose, and our lesson's name is Ranike's Skit. Let's have a look on this prose. The dull light on the frosted glass of the door herald a new day. A peek outside present the picture of an overcast sky, with tall looming pines standing motionless, awaiting the attack from the above. A gust of wind, followed by a clap of thunder, unleashed the rains, and down it came with full ferocity. The monsoon has arrived in Ranikhet. Now you can see in the picture the black clouds are there and the rain is falling down. So it means monsoons means the rain, and there is a frosted glass of door herald means on the windows the rain is falling, and attack it is attack from the sky. It was a wonderful sight, the water gushing and gurgling down the slope, the trees swaying and the leaves dancing in mirth to the accompaniment of the new roaring wind and the orchestral din of the pounding rain on the tin roof of our bungalow. We had to dive inside for our woolens and socks. Means this wonderful sight means the this scene is looking very good, and the water is coming down towards the slope and trees are looking nice. Louder and louder as white marbles of the hail came dashing down to earth, covering the lawn in white gravel. It rained incessantly for a couple of hours, and then a sudden calm descended over the hills. Means when there is snowfall, you can see all over the white coverage on in trees and at every places. So they are telling this in this paragraph. The The distant mountains could no longer be seen, and neither was the winding pathway at the foot of our hillock visible. The temperature had dropped considerably, and the clouds had come down from their heavenly abode to visit us. I opened wide our own main door, and to my great delight, witnessed Lady Cloud floating into the house in her flowing gossamer gown, caressing our face, neck, and hands with her cool, moist touch. Means the scene of this mountain is very nice, as and it seems that there is the gods are into the earth. It feels like that heavenly abode means the all gods have visit into the earth. Gradually the haze started disintegrating, and the first glint of the sun rays shimmered over the velvety green mountainside, while the dark clouds scurried away. What a drastic change! How a brilliant blue sky emerged with contrasting, startling, white, fluffy clouds, and it was an artistic delight, and with all those shades of green from the lightest to the darkest, and the flowers of every hue and color on the hilly slopes between the rocky crevices, and in every garden there are splashes of red, crimson, yellow, and orange. The air was cool and crisp, and the birds and the butterflies were out again. Means this scene is so wonderful, and this blue sky has totally changed into with white fluffy clouds. Means all over the scene is looking fantastic, and the flowers of all colors you can see, and birds are and butterflies are out again. We too went out for daily walk. Amazingly, there was to be found neither a puddle or, or at a muddy patch. The soil being rocky and sandy, either dried easily or the water made its way downhill. Now that the sky has cleared, the whole mountain range was in view, and a full of 180 degrees stretch of snow-clad mountains gleamed and glistened in the last rays of the sun. We stood mesmerized as the reflection of the setting sun on the snow seemed to set the whole range ablaze. The orange glow began to spread and simmered itself on the surrounding clouds, slowly yet steadily mingling with the darkness as night gradually let down her curtains. Means that the overall view of the sky has been changed. It looks that orange glow which was spreading, and is suddenly it looks that the night has begun. We hurried home to find there was a power cut. After a cup of steaming coffee in candlelight, we stepped out of the bungalow to check the power situation, and what a magnificent sight awaited us. It was the darkness of dark nights. Hooray! Pitch black, and a creak on the crackle made one jump. But when we looked up, we stood transfixed in awe, looking at the star spangled dark dome above. Never ever had we seen a million brightly lit stars, and at such close quarters we just had to stand on our toes to touch them in that celestial aura and the eternal beauty of the surroundings. The tumult of emotions within was hard to express. Only a soft thank you escaped my lips. Means the scene of this Ranikets is was so nice that he has never seen in our life. So so now that's all for today, and the words which are
So, children, find the difficult words and write its meaning.
today. Now your homework for today is, now you have to write down the meanings of some difficult words.
Hello, thank you, and goodbye, students.